Hello friends, welcome back to the 32nd part of the topic connections, where we are in the welded connections, and today we are going to start with a basic introduction on what are groove welds. As we had carried out a discussion, if any weld is connected like this, then it is known as groove weld or butt weld, as we saw in the introductory part of this module. The effective throat thickness of the complete penetration groove weld is taken as the thickness of the thinner part joint. For example, let us consider this figure. This is the thicker part, this is the thinner part. Then the effective throat thickness of this groove weld is considered this much. Let me remove this, again explain. This is the effective throat thickness of the thinner part. The effective throat thickness of the partial penetration joint weld is taken as 5/8 into thickness of the thinner member joint given in the figure. So let us understand everything from this figure. In case of complete penetration of the groove weld, what is the thickness considered here will be this one. As I explained, throat thickness is thickness of the thinner part joint. Then regarding complete penetration, but from both the side, partially penetrated from both the side, then again this T by 2 that will be equal to T. Throat thickness is full T. And partial penetration incomplete, here we can see that incomplete penetration is there. Then the throat thickness considered here, effective throat thickness would be 5/8 of the throat thickness. I mean 5/8 of the thickness of the plate. So if the thickness of the plate is 5 mm, or we could say 8 mm, then 5 divided by 8 into 8, that will be 5 mm. So this groove weld throat thickness should be 5 mm. These are the criteria for designing the effective throat thickness for any groove weld. Again, here also we are having partial penetration from both the sides. This was only from the one side. So the throat thickness over here could be again 5/8 into thickness, but on both the sides. The criteria remain same, this 5 mm, but 5 mm from here and 5 mm from here. So friends, this is all about the throat thickness criteria for groove welds. Thank you for watching and wait for the next video.